Hey there, Mac enthusiasts! If you're finding your old Mac running a bit slow lately, you're in the right place. Today, we've got 5 fantastic tips to speed up your aging Mac and bring back that lightning-fast performance. So let's dive right in. The first tip is to clear cache and temporary files. You can use a handy tool like Macube to get the job done. First, launch Macube and click on the Clean button, then follow the on-screen instructions to bid farewell to unnecessary files. At number 2 is optimizing macOS settings. Turn down transparency and disable visual effects for smoother performance. Manage energy-saving options like adjusting display sleep and enabling power nap. Keep an eye on background processes, limiting resource-hungry apps. Tip number 3 is cleaning up disk space. The first step is to use the built-in storage management tool. The second step is to do a manual cleanup of large files. Go through your Downloads folder, uninstall unnecessary applications, and clear out old email attachments. Moving on to tip number 4 is keeping your operating system and applications up to date. Regular updates often bring bug fixes and performance improvements. Don't forget to update your applications from the respective app stores or official websites. Last but not least, tip number 5 is monitoring your Mac's activity using the Activity Monitor. Keep an eye on resource usage, identify resource-intensive processes, and quit unnecessary ones to free up system resources. There you have it, 5 tips to speed up your old Mac and breathe new life into it. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy computing!